Helios ZR is a zirconium oxide sintering furnace with increased efficiency. Thanks to the second-generation heating elements, it ensures perfect stabilization of the sintering temperature and guarantees high quality and transparency of the details. Helios ZR is customized for containers with a diameter of up to 120 mm. The larger volume balances the heat emission when sintering large bridges and sintering more parts in one process. The height of the chamber allows for the simultaneous firing of up to 4 containers with works. "100 programs allow each sintering cycle to be individually designed. Information about the process is displayed on a clear display. The user has full control over the temperature rise, heating up and cooling down. High-efficiency heaters enable quick heating in up to 1 hour. Four heating elements ensure even temperature emission in each zone of the chamber. As a result, all details sinter at the same temperature, which guarantees no stress and minimizes the risk of breakage of the denture. The control system and heaters of the second generation eliminate deformation of zirconium structures. The sintered elements obtain optimal density and mechanical strength. Correct cooling determines the shape stability of modern zircons. Helios ZR allows you to precisely program the cooling process and control it from start to finish. The control system monitors the operation of the heaters. In the event of burnout, it informs about the failure but does not interrupt the process. Sintering continues even when only 2 heaters are in operation. The replacement of the heating elements does not require professional maintenance and is performed by the user, saving time and money. The Helios ZR furnace is covered by full warranty care for a period of up to 3 years with no working hours limits.